Yeah, Chris, all it took was just a matter of a couple of minutes for those two hooded suspects to take 5 long guns. The Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office says crimes like this put the firearms in the hands of the wrong people.
They're stealing them, so we can expect to see this in future crimes.
That's the concern for Hillsborough County deputies right now. Now that 5 guns, including rifles and shotguns, are somewhere unaccounted for.
They might use this, in a potential selling them or, worst case scenario like murder.
Around 5 a.m. Thursday, these two suspects, dressed in all black, walk up to the Florida Firearms Academy and use sledgehammers to break a window. One of them sticks their arm through burglar bars to grab the guns and pass them over to their accomplice. The two then run off into this sedan on Memorial Parkway.
It's just a scary world.
Today, it was business as usual at the range. The smashed window repaired by employees. But customers like Deborah Cangelosi, who stopped by for lessons, are still spooked.
It's scary. And, part of the things of taking these courses is teaching you to be very aware about what's going on around you. We kind of all have a responsibility for that, for ourselves and our families.
Sharing the message.
I just hope everybody stays safe out there.
In the area at the time and saw something or recognized those suspects, be sure to contact HCSO. I'm reporting live in Hillsborough County. Jennifer Vaglis, Fox 13 News.